Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another brief Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today we'll be diving into our ultimate bookkeeping toolkit and share how you can send and automate reports being sent to your email in just a few clicks. Now, if you're completely new to our Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit, then what I'll do is add the appropriate tutorials down below in the description for you to check out if you want to learn more about this all-in-one Google Sheets bookkeeping template. Okay, so as you can see, we're on the Quick Start guide. Now, if we navigate over to Setup, this is where you set up your bookkeeping toolkit. And we talk more about this in other tutorials. If we navigate down, we have Income. This is where you add all your income records as well as expense records. Now let's navigate over to our dashboards. We have a monthly dashboard, annual dashboard, 5-year dashboard, as well as a custom dashboard, comparison dashboard, sales tax reports, and a balance sheet over here. Let's navigate over to the 5-year dashboard. Again, if you want to dive deeper into these financial dashboards, I will add the relevant tutorials down below in the description. Okay, so let's say we want to send a report of this 5-year dashboard. What we can do is send a full page snapshot of the data that's being presented here. So what I'm going to do is change the starting calendar year and change this to 2024. And I want to send this report to my email. What we can first do is navigate over to Setup, then navigate down the page and locate Reporting Email. Here you can add additional emails if you like, and these are the emails that you can send reports to. Okay, so I've just got one email in here for now. Again, I'm going to navigate over to 5-year dashboard, then to send a report, navigate up to our custom Sheetify menu, then navigate down to Reportify. Here we can instantly send all reports, and all those dashboards that we just covered, you can see them down here. You can send all of these to your email. For now, I'm just going to quickly send a 5-year dashboard. And remember, that's going to send a screenshot, a PDF screenshot of the data that you can see here. Okay, so let's go ahead and click Send 5-year dashboard. And as you can see, you have sent a 5-year report PDF to this email address. Now let's jump into the associated email inbox that we sent this report to. And here's the email, see attached file, and we have a PDF down here. And that's going to open up a PDF snapshot of our 5-year overview dashboard. To download this report, simply navigate up to Download. Okay, I'm going to head back to our Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit. And then what we can also do is navigate up to Sheetify, then Reportify again. And like I mentioned, we can send all reports, and that's going to instantly send all of these different reports. Then down here, we have the option to set up weekly report. This is going to send us all reports at the beginning of every week. Simply click here. And every Monday you will receive an email that has the 7 reports attached. However, that is everything that I wanted to cover in this brief tutorial, showing you how you can use our Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit to send reports to your email. If you have any questions, make sure to pop them down below. If you got value, make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, and that way I'll see you in our next video. Take care, everyone.